Hello everyone, this is Madhanandan. I am an agriculture field officer at Canara Bank. Here in this video, we are going to see the 20th livestock census, which is very useful in case of UPSCs and state PSCs and also other competitive exams. Before going into the details of particular 20th livestock census, let us see the livestock census in brief. The livestock census was first conducted in 1919 and the census is taken once in every 5 years, and so far 19 livestock census had been conducted in India, and this census was conducted by Ministry of Fisheries, Animal Husbandry and Dairying along with the participation of local administrations. Okay, now let us see the 20th livestock in detail. First we will see about the distribution of livestock population in India according to 20th livestock census. Out of total livestock population, cattle population stands first with 35.94% and goat population stands second with 27.8% and buffalo population stands in third position with 20.45% and sheep population stands in fourth position with 13.87% and pig population stands in fifth position with 1.6% and remaining 0.23% by remaining livestock. Okay, now let us see 20th livestock census details about cattle population. Total cattle population in India during 2019, that is according to 20th livestock census, is 192.49 millions, and there is slight increase in population nearly 0.8% when compared to 19th livestock census, that is in 2012. Out of total cattle population, female cattle population was increased by 18% and male cattle population is decreased by 30.2%. And as we already discussed, out of total livestock population, cattle population stands first with 36%. Okay, now let us see the buffalo population details according to 20th livestock census. Here the total buffalo population in India during 2019 is 109.85 millions, and there is slight increase in population nearly about 1.1% when compared to the previous livestock census, that is during 2012. And out of total buffalo population, female buffalo population is increased by 8.61%, whereas male buffalo population is decreased by 42.35%. Out of total livestock population, buffalo population stands third in position with 20.5%. Okay, now let us see the details of sheep population according to 20th livestock census. Total population of sheep in India by 2019 is 74.26 millions, and there is 14.13% increase in sheep population from 2012 to 2019. And out of total livestock population, sheep population stands at fourth position with 13.8%. Okay, now let us see the details of goat population according to 20th livestock census. And here the total goat population in India during 2019 is 148.88 millions, and there is 10.14% increase in goat population from 2012 to 2019. And out of total livestock population, goat population stands at second position with 27.8%. Okay, now let us see the details of pig population according to 20th livestock census. Population of pig in India during 2019 is 9.06 millions, and there is 12% decrease in pig population from 2012 to 2019. And out of total livestock population, pig population stands at fifth position with 1.7%. Okay, now let us see the details of camel population according to 20th livestock census. Here total camel population in India during 2019 is 0.25 millions, and there is a decrease of 37.1% in camel population from 2012 to 2019. Okay guys, now let us see the details of poultry population according to 20th livestock census. According to this census, total poultry population in India during 2019 is 851.81 millions, and there is an increase of 16.8% in poultry population from 2012 to 2019. And out of total poultry population, the backyard poultry population in India is 317.07 millions, which is increased by 45.8% from 2012 to 2019. Out of total poultry population, the commercial poultry population in India is 534.74 millions, which is increased by 4.5% from 2012 to 2019. Okay guys, we will see the key features and some other important topics related to 20th livestock census in part 2 of this video. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video and do subscribe to our channel.